To graph y equals 3 cosecant of x over a 1 period interval, first we graph y equals 3 sine of x. So we use the reciprocal function, replacing cosecant with sine. And then we graph y equals 3 times sine x. So we have an amplitude of 3, so the vertical distance from the middle of the graph to the top would be 3. And that's the only change that was made to the sine function. Now we're not graphing the sine function, our goal is to graph the cosecant function, but we use the sine function as a guide. So notice that these look almost exactly the same except one is cosecant and one is sine. So we first graph sine, the reciprocal function, and here's the graph of sine. I've dotted it, I've already drawn it in. And everywhere that we have an x-intercept, everywhere that sine is 0, cosecant will have an asymptote. Cosecant will be undefined at those x values where sine is 0. So we're going to draw on our dotted vertical lines to represent the asymptotes. And at the extreme points, at the maximum value, these will be the points that sine and cosecant share. And if sine is positive, then cosecant will also be positive. And the graph will go away from sine. So we'll go in the opposite direction, we'll go up, but still remaining positive. Down here at -3, at this minimum value, we're going to draw the U-shaped graph away from sine. And if we erase the sine guide that we dotted in, then what we're left with is a 1 period interval of y equals 3 cosecant x.